Hi, my name is Ashley Martis, CEO and founder of StartupFuel, an online platform connecting startup companies with resources all over the world. StartupFuel consists of three main products. The first one is an intelligent application matching system. We match application owners that are providing resources such as funding, coaching, mentorship, government grants, and many more with startup companies that are relevant and need to be matched. Secondly, we have something called the SIR, a startup intake room. It's an advanced application tracking system that allows resource providers or application owners to remotely and intelligently collaborate with their team to review and track applications. The third thing comes from our previous consulting firm, Pangea. What it is a consulting agency that allows startup companies to connect with service providers in their local ecosystem, from marketing agencies to financing companies to various different type of creative agencies, that we allow startup companies to run specialized initiatives to improve the parts of their venture that they're the weakest in. There are three main problems with the startup ecosystem that we've identified as StartupFuel. The first one being the move towards highly specialized ventures. The second one is the volume and growth of new ventures around the globe. And finally, the third one is the inefficient exchange of knowledge from experts in the industry down to the new entrepreneurs that need it. For the first one, we talk about the move towards highly specialized ventures. In the past, startup companies used to be an innovation on only the technology itself. Things like faster chipsets, wider telecommunication networks, better, faster computers. But today, the use of technology to disrupt every industry is causing companies to form very niche products in very niche verticals. This makes it very hard for application organizers and application owners to provide the right resources to the right companies. The second one deals with the volume and growth of companies. With the ability of the internet and technology reducing the barriers to entry for startup companies, we are seeing a high influx of startup companies forming all over the world. And finally, the third biggest problem deals with the inefficient exchange of knowledge. These application organizers, who are usually the experts in the space, venture capitalists, accelerators, government grant organizers, ecosystem leaders, their knowledge is very key and critical to helping ventures succeed. But the exchange of these individuals and their knowledge down to the companies is not being done very well today. To solve the problems we just described, we built an online platform at StartupFuel that has various features to solve each one of these issues. The first one being the highly specialized nature of ventures. We built a smart and intelligent classification system that helps give labels to each one of the ventures and all the application owners that help connect and matchmake both sides. Some of these labels and categories include where they're located in the world, what industries they target, what technologies they use, and what stages they're in. The second biggest problem being the influx and volume of applications, we built an application tracking system that we're calling the SIR, or the Startup Intake Room, that allows teams to not only digitally remotely review the companies, but also a very speedy review system that under 30 seconds, a judge or an analyst can go through a company and assign a quality rating on them. Finally, the third biggest problem that we've faced is the inefficient exchange of knowledge. This review system we just talked about is designed in such a smart way that even if the applicant gets rejected by the application organizer, they get a report that tells them exactly where they're weak, what parts of their business they need to improve on, so we can connect them with a network of consultants in their industry that can help solve that problem. We at StartupFuel have put together an incredible team to build this platform out. The first person I want to talk about is our CTO, Trevor. He's a serial entrepreneur who's launched many ventures in the past, so he has a lot of experience in the pain points of the startup industry, but also in how to build and scale ventures. He also has a lot of experience in managing and developing technology products for clients. So his skill sets lie in leadership and project management of development resources. Our second key team member is Neel, our media director, who was a featured filmmaker and producer who has come to take over our StartupFuel TV division in order to help tell the story of entrepreneurs, to give them marketable pitch videos, and to expand our network. Our third key member is Rodney, a sales and partnership manager that has incredible experience in the past building and growing sales teams. He is in charge of putting together our CRMs, our various different type of procedures to connect our clients and to help sell and convert our revenues. Finally, myself, a serial entrepreneur and a serial networker who has traveled to over 35 countries and has networked with over 45,000 people in the entrepreneurship space, helping do validation and helping build a client list for all of us moving forward in the future. We at StartupFuel have 4 incredible revenue models. The first one is an application advertising model that allows application owners, such as VC firms, pitch competitions, conferences, to help advertise their applications to the startup companies. This will grow with our increasing user base. Second one is our Startup Intake Room, a SaaS-based product on a monthly recurring model that allows organizations to pick between 4 tiers based on what their needs are. The third one is a referral service model. We are connected with a network of referral agencies, such as marketing firms, lawyers, accountants, development agencies that we connect startup companies with to fix their problems and their needs. We then take back a fee from each one of these agencies as a sales and enablement fee. Finally, our fourth division, which is our media division, helps companies tell their story through video. We then add animations and interviews for a premium price on top of that. All of these 4 revenue models are growing at insane rates. We've had more than 230 invoices booked, more than 200,000 in revenue booked to date. We're growing at almost a 20 to 30% month-over-month growth rate, and we have interest from over 30 different partners and organizations to connect with us to help grow. People like angel networks, corporate innovation, venture capital funds, and many, many more. We are on track for great success, and we are growing at unprecedented rates. To help take us to the next level, we need 2 things. One is an investment, and second one is partnerships. When it comes to investment, we're looking to raise a $1 million seed round at the moment to help boost a couple areas of our business. The most dominant one is technology. We're looking to invest more money into technology and development to help automate some of the manual processes we have so we can recognize revenue a lot faster and more efficiently. The second one is building sales and partnership teams so we can expand into Southern Ontario and Canada and then move into the US and other parts in the world. And the third one is marketing exposure. We're looking to spend money into ads, into media, into marketing, and to growth hacking so that we can expand into different markets and as well to help convert some of our current contracts and clients into increased exposure. The second part of it is partnerships. When it comes to partnerships, we're looking to partner with entrepreneurial communities around the world. Things like accelerators, government grant providers, various different types of institutions, university incubators that all work within the startup space. We're looking to partner with them, help build them communities so that they can improve and increase their operations.